How do I improve my child's vocabulary? Many parents worry that their child is not speaking enough words, and that worry is very natural. But children don't learn new words by being taught like a lesson. They learn words by hearing them again and again in daily life. The best thing you can do is talk to your child during normal activities, while cooking, bathing, walking, or getting dressed. Describe what you are doing in simple sentences. I am cutting vegetable. The water is warm. We are wearing shoes. Give your child time to respond. Don't rush them and don't speak for them. Even silence is part of thinking. If your child says just one word, gently expand it. If they say ball, you can say, yes, red ball. This helps the brain learn how words grow into sentences. Reading picture books and telling small stories every day also makes big difference. Remember, slow and regular talking builds strong language. There is no shortcut, but this simple daily talking works beautifully over time.